Creating a contact form in Hostinger Website Builder is a simple and essential step to allow visitors to get in touch with you. Here's how you can add a contact form to your site. Log into your Hostinger account. Access your Hostinger account and navigate to the Website Builder section. Select your website. Choose the website you want to edit and click Edit Website to open the website editor. Navigate to the page. Go to the page where you want to add the contact form, or create a new page dedicated to contact information. Add the section for the form. In the website editor, click Add Section and choose the contact form option. You can find it under pre-made sections like Contact or Forms. Customize the form. Once the form is added, you can customize the fields by clicking on them. Hostinger provides options to modify the name, email, message fields, and even custom fields if needed. Set up email notifications. Configure the form settings to define where form submissions will be sent. Enter the email address where you would like to receive messages from visitors. Publish the page. After making all the necessary adjustments, click Save and then Publish to make the form live on your website.